Hi, good morning. Now we will discuss about replication. What is a replication? The replication means the synthesis of DNA molecule or duplication of DNA molecule. One DNA molecule can able to synthesis of another DNA molecule. During the cell division, the DNA molecule replication occurs in S phase to duplicate to the another strands of the DNA molecule. That process is called as replication. Now in this replication, Watson and Crick proposed DNA can able to replication. Generally the replication occurs semi-conservative method. Semi-conservative method. What is semi-conservative method? First of all, the DNA molecule separation of two strands. These strands act as template. These both of strands to synthesis of new strand. So after completion of replication, in this one strand of DNA molecule, in this one is a complementary strand, that means it is the old, the second one is the new. In the same, it is the old, the second one is the new. In this process, DNA molecule completely opening to form synthesis of two strands of DNA molecule. In this double-stranded DNA molecule containing two strands are separated. Each strand acts as a template. Both of these strands to synthesis of new strand. So one strand to synthesis of these another new strand. So one is the old strand, the second one is the new strand. In the same, one is the old, the second one is the new strand. So this process is called as a semi-conservative method. The semi-conservative method, the DNA molecule contain two strands. One is the new, the second one is the old. The process is called as a semi-conservative method of this replication process. How? Generally the semi-conservative method synthesis in almost all eukaryotic cells as well as the prokaryotic cells. This is proved by Michelson and Stahel experiment. Now we will discuss Michelson and Stahel experiment. Now the Michelson and Stahel experiment. Michelson and Stahel experiment conducted on E. coli to prove generally the replication occurs in semi-conservative method. Replication by semi-conservative method. The first, E. coli grow in one of the culture media. In culture containing 15N, that means NH4Cl 50 ammonium chloride. It is heavy nitrogen. It is not a radioisotope. radioisotope. In this, the 15 N containing, the nitrogen containing in the culture media, these E. coli, Escherichia coli, grow in the culture media to production of these more number of the cells. Almost all DNA molecule incorporated with 15N. That heavy nitrogen is incorporated into the DNA molecule. So almost all DNA molecule incorporated with N15. That means the E. coli containing 15 N type. These E. coli bacteria transferred to another culture media. In this culture media containing 14 N type, same NaH4Cl, 14 type. This is called as light nitrogen. Light nitrogen. When the 15 type of these nitrogen containing DNA molecule of bacteria grow in another culture media, in this culture media containing the N14. Therefore, these are the first uptaken within 20 minutes. That means the first generation. After 20 minutes or first generation. First generation. After that means duplication of DNA molecule. After duplication of these DNA molecule containing one of these 14N, the second one is the 15N. It is called as hybrid. Hybrid DNA molecule. N14 containing light chain or light strand. It is a heavy strand. After 20 minutes, isolation of these E. coli bacteria from containing N14, it contains DNA molecule of these two strands. One is 14, second one is the 15 type. So that is called as hybrid DNA molecule. In this hybrid DNA molecule contain the 15 and 14 to form the semi-conservative method. After 40 minutes, our second generation so in this 15 14 so 14 type, 14 and 15 type, 14 and 15 type, 14 and 14 type. Clear? So Michelson and Stahel experiment conducted with help of these E. coli. It is proved by replication of DNA molecule by semi-conservative method. In this process, the first E. coli grow in one of the culture media. In this culture media containing the N15 of these nitrogen. It is also called as a heavy nitrogen, not a radioisotope. In this containing the DNA molecule incorporation with N15 type of these nitrogen. The nitrogen is utilized for the replication of this E. coli DNA molecule. In this DNA molecule, generally the previous DNA molecule is incorporation with 15 type of this nitrogen. After the incorporation of these N15N, these are directly transferred to the another culture media. In this culture media containing the 14 type of these N. So the 15 type of these N-DNA molecule replication occurs inside of these another culture media of these 14N. Generally the 14N is light nitrogen. It is called as light nitrogen. In this light nitrogen, the semi-conservative replication occurs in the first 20 minutes. It is also called as the first generation isolation of these DNA molecule. So it shows the one of the 14 strand, the second one is the 15 strand. That is called a light strand, that is called as a heavy strand. After 40 minutes isolation from this culture media, in these 4 types of these DNA molecule. One of these 14-14, the second one is the 14 and 15, the third one is the 14 and 15, and fifth one is the 14 and 15. So that shows the in this 14 and 15, in these 14 and 15 of these tests. That is called as semi-conservative method proved by these Michelson and Stahl experiment. Once again, Michelson and Stahl experiment conducted with the help of these E. coli. E. coli grow in one of the culture media. In this culture media containing the 15 type of N. That means the nitrogen of heavy isotope anachu ledu ante heavy nitrogen. Generally the heavy nitrogen used in this culture media. This culture media utilization of these E. coli bacteria. E. coli bacteria useful for synthesis of these DNA molecule due to this production of the more number of the cells. In this E. coli is directly transferred to the another culture media. In this culture media containing the 14 type of these N. So in this containing 14 type. Generally in this containing the DNA molecule 15 type. So first one, this is the 15 type. Utilization of these in the culture media to synthesis of 14. Same it is synthesis of 14. 14 and 15. So in the same 15 and 14. These hybrids are first isolation from these culture media. So it contains the hybrid DNA molecule 14 and 15. In the same another strand also 14 and 15. 14 and 15. So after 40 minutes, that means the second generation. The second generation means the duplication of these another new species. Generally the E. coli is duplication in the first generation 14 and 15. In the next generation means the second generation after 40 minutes. 2 times duplication occurs. Therefore that is called considered as second generation. In this second generation contain the 14-14, 14-15, 14-15 and 14-14 type. So it shows the generally the DNA molecule isolation from these E. coli bacteria with density gradient centrifugation process. Density gradient centrifugation process. Therefore the density gradient centrifugation with use of cesium chloride. We use of this cesium chloride. The density gradient centrifugation uses the both of these are separated with help of this centrifugation process. So in this shows the 2 layers. One is the 14-15. The second one is the 14-14. 14-15. The second one is the 14-14 type. These are considered as light DNA molecule. These are hybrid DNA molecule. And the semi-replication also occurs in some of these plants by another experiment conducted by Taylor. Et al. In Vicia faba. Vicia faba is one of the bean plant. The Taylor utilized by radioactive element of thymine. Radioactive element thymine. In the thymidine are utilized for this incorporation of these DNA molecule. In the same, at the level of these chromosomes, the replication of the DNA molecule in semi-conservative method. by these Taylor and et al. Experiment conducted in Riccia faba of these Leguminaceae plant. In this, at the level of these chromosomes, the DNA molecule generally occurs in the semi-conservative method.